Hello and welcome back to the channel. And this is our next question of the series CAT 23 Slot 2. This question is based on proportions, and you will learn some new fundamentals related to the maximum and maximizing and minimizing the sum. So let's read the question. The price of a precious stone is directly proportional to the square of its weight. Sita has a precious stone weighing 18 units. If she breaks it into 4 pieces, with each piece having distinct integer weights, so the weights are distinct and integers, then the difference between the highest and lowest possible values of the total price of the 4 pieces will be 288,000. Then the price of original precious stone is how much? Okay, so let's start this question. We have price directly proportional to weight square. When I remove this proportionality constant, I will apply a constant k, and the weight is given as 18. Now, the next information that is given to us, that we break this weight in four distinct integer parts. Let's suppose A, B, C, D. So the price would be, the final price will be something like k times the square of the weight, that is A square, B square, C square, and D square. I hope this information is given to us. And we have to maximize this price. We have to minimize this price. The difference of this thing is given to us, that is 288,000. It is given to us. And we are supposed to count this price value, P. So that is the whole information we can gather from this question. Let's understand the concept here, that is maximizing the sum and minimizing the sum. So how can you maximize the sum? For this particular question, we have to maximize the sum, that is the price, because price is depending over the A square, B square, C square, and D square. We have to maximize this thing. So sum has to be maximum, and it is only possible when the possible values are as far as possible. Let's understand this by an example. Let's suppose we have x plus y equal to 10, and we have to find x square plus y square. It is this concept that is applicable in this question also. So let me take some values. I can take 1 and 9. The square of 1 is 1, 9 is 81. So the sum would be 82. I can take 2 and 8. It would be 64 plus 4, 68. I can take 3 and 7. 49 plus 9, 58. 4 and 6. It is 36 plus 16, 52. And 5 and 5, 25 and 5, 50. So I can see here that the maximum sum is 82. And it is only possible when the numbers are as far as possible. Correct? When you make the numbers as far as possible, then the sum will be maximum. And when the numbers are as close as possible means 5 and 5, then the sum will be minimum. So it is a very important concept that you should remember. To maximize something, the numbers are as far as possible. To minimize the sum, the numbers are as close as possible. So here 18 is breakdown in 4 parts, A, B, C, D, and those 4 parts are different integers. So the possibility is 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, 6, and D is 12. It is as far as possible that I have made. Because it is distinct, that is why I have kept 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, I can take 1, 1, 1. If it can be similar. So the maximum price will be the square of these values, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and 4 square. Sorry, 12 square. It is 144 plus 4, 148, and 149, and 9, 158. Okay. So that is the maximum price. Similarly, to do the minimum price, to minimize the price, the numbers are as close as possible. So I am just writing this language. Minimize the price, sum has to be minimum, which is only possible when the numbers are as close as possible. I hope this makes sense now. Let's make this thing as close as possible. So how can you break down 18? 18 can be break down like 9 plus 9 or 5, 5, 4, 4. So this is 9 and 9, 18. But I have to make it distinct. So I will increase this 5 and decrease the 4 so that it it is balanced again, and it is as close as possible. This was as far as possible. So the minimum price will be from here, and that would be 5 square, 6 square, 3 square, and 4 square. 86K. Yeah. All right. So the difference of maximum and minimum price is 288,000. 158K minus 86K, that is 288,000. That is 72K equals to 288,000 and K equals to 4,000. So I got my K. I'll just substitute it here. 18 square is 324 and it is 1296,000. So that would be my answer. And this is a good concept that you should know. And I hope this example and this question is quite clear to you now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.